My name is Zaman. I have first stepped in China in 2014 and I'm doing my master's in Nanjing Medical University under Professor Fan Jining from Jiangsu Province Hospital. I came to China, I found out that the studies, the materials, the equipments are no different from any Western countries. So that's why I felt like this is the perfect place to do my study. My country, endoscopy is just a new thing. A lot of patients doesn't know about endoscopy. A lot of patients doesn't know about early cancers and how to treat with early cancers. And we have very limited amount of equipments and doctors in our country doing endoscopy. I just want to study from here and take some of the good things from China back to my country so that I can treat the people of my country as well.
扎麦是一个非常优秀的，工作很认真，学校也很认真。现在呢，不光是做临床，还做技术研究的收集，经常到实验室去。所以呢，我想呢，只要他都进一步努力，所有我们这个技术就是毫无保留的会交给他。
要坚持1年左右，这个黏膜还可以的。
Actually, studying medicine, to be honest, is difficult. It's not an easy process, but you have to have the thing in your heart. You should never give up.
消耗内镜领域，我们走向了世界舞台。我们这么多年来，特别是在“一带一路”国家，培养了很多的医生。所以呢，我们要把这个专业好好发扬光大，加强建设，来逐渐提高我们中国的技术、中国的品牌在世界上的影响力。
I think the Belt and Road Initiative is very good for small countries like us, like Bangladesh. We need the help of big countries like China in case of development, not only in medicine, everything.